We are pleased to show you the 2003 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: exterior entry lights, daytime running lights, power brakes, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, power steering, overhead console, center console. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.